your girl Mila B, and welcome back to another video. We are talking about all things packaging. I just released a merchandise line and I'm gonna keep it real because y'all know I'm real authentic on my channel. My packaging can really use some work. It's really good for right now being that I just started, but one of my goals later in the future is to circle back to packaging and really get it to how I like it. But for right now, because I am beginner and I'm just starting out, this is what we have. We're making it work, and yeah, so without further ado, let's get into it. So first thing is bags. What are you sending your merchandise in? Of course, you know, Bee Drippy is my line. I'm hashtag save the bees. So I'm all for the yellowish, goldish, black, white theme. I try to keep it consistent, and I got these Mylar bags. These Mylar bags say thank you on them. They're black, yellow, white, very consistent with my color scheme of my brand. And that is what I got. I got this on Amazon. Everything that I have right here, I've gotten on Amazon, except for the tissue paper. I got the tissue paper at Party City, but for everything else, I got on Amazon. So yep, these are the bags that I've gotten. And then I also got these clear t-shirt bags. I love these. I was looking at another review on Amazon, and this lady said she used them for her t-shirts, and I fell in love with them and how she did it, so I definitely got me these. And then I ordered these thank you stickers to put on the packaging, and got on Amazon as well. These stickers right here. It says thank you for supporting my small business. Of course, the yellow tissue paper. I wanted this on Amazon, but they ran out of stock of the color on Amazon, so I just went to Party City. And then, of course, my merchandise. So, what I'm going to do is I always start by looking at the orders that I normally have to the side that I got from Etsy, and then I forward the shirts up. In this case, we're going to do 2 shirts, a black one, a yellow one, and it's logo only. So I fold it up. There is really no pretty way that I fold the shirts. As I said before, y'all, I just started working on packaging, so I'm still exploring, looking up, researching new ideas. So I just fold the shirts nice and pretty. It's not gonna be super duper fancy, but I do try to keep it nice and organized. Like so. Do the other one. Alright, just like that. And then within the bag, I would just place them on top of each other like that. Alright. I do know when I first started researching packaging, somebody kind of did something like this with their shirts where they folded it, but said they had a burlap string that they put across and like tied it to really make it look like a package. So that is something that I'm thinking about keeping in the vault. So then after that, I go to my yellow tissue paper. And I only get 1 sheet of tissue paper. That's all you need, is really 1 sheet. Just 1 sheet, like that. And then I put the tissue paper out, I put the shirts in the middle, and I just kind of fold it like a present. Nothing too extravagant, just fold it. I normally have just another tape dispenser if I wanted to tape it, some clear tape to put over it. Like I said, I gotta work on packaging, y'all. So if you have any suggestions, any ideas, let me know. So as of right now, this is what it looks like. The tape will hold this in the back to keep it together, and then you have the front. On this side, I would then get my sticker, and I'm gonna place the sticker right there on the good side. This is what it would look like with the sticker. I then put it in this clear bag. I'm gonna just slide it on in there. And one of the things I do like about this clear bag is that because it's clear, you see straight through it. So I think the yellow that's filling it out, I think this is really cute. That's why I like these clear bags. And then I have my thank you card in there going to my customers. And it just says thank you. It says follow me if you wear the merch, where to be tagged at. I designed this. I designed it in Canva, and I got it printed off on cardstock paper. So I did this. You can't buy that. I did that from my brain. So after that, I slide that on in there. on top, so it looks like so. Then I would close it, tape it off, and then finally I would stick it into my Mylar bag. Zoop. I would put the label right there, and this would be the front of it, and it would be ready to ship. That is how I package my materials. Just me being real myself right now. I love my packaging. Since I first started, I have only been selling merchandise in my Etsy shop being open for about a couple weeks now, so I'm still very much in that learning phase. I am open to any suggestions. If you have any cool ideas that would make it even more personable or more unique, let me know. So, you know, later down the road, we do another packaging video and you see that I have upgraded. We're gonna look back on this video and be like, man, remember when Mila started with that tissue paper? Now look at her. So, yes, this is a beginner packaging video. So with that being said, you guys are ready to do, like, share, comment. Do not forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.